So the installation was as easy and seamless as you can imagine.
Rarely takes more than one full day and then a couple hours in the morning. The next day we've gotten really proficient at installing these.
It went right into our old storage room with no extra preparation needed. We just plugged it in and it took off. The training part of this is pretty phenomenal. But honestly, reading the images is kind of the smallest part of it. Learning to actually get the scans, get the positioning of the dog correct or cat, and get the images that you want is kind of the hard part of it. And Chris does a fantastic job.
We offer 6 days of on-site training. 2 days are with myself. I do some software and positioning training with the technicians and the primary operators, and really get them used to positioning the animals, getting the right image, making sure the image quality is diagnostic. Our second block of training, we usually have Dr. Bertucci from St. Louis come out and do some more in-depth training. His real focus is, again, a lot of vets aren't used to reading CT, so you got to get over the hurdle of the 2D X-ray to the 3D CT image. One of his other focuses is also procedures. So once you get the image, it's diagnostic quality, you send it to a radiologist or you interpret it in-house and you end up with this diagnosis. The big thing is, what do we do next? Because there's more revenue to be generated. You can help the patient more by keeping things in-house so they don't have to go to a specialist or do anything differently. And we'll always leave open a block of training at the 90-day to 6-month mark. It gives the clinics time to use the CT, generate issues, generate questions, and then we can come back in and solve those for them.